Planetary defense is finding asteroids before they find us, but then also maybe getting asteroids before they get us. My name is Kelly Fast, and I'm a planetary defender. In the Planetary Defense Coordination Office, I manage the Near-Earth Object Observations Program. I handle the program that addresses finding the asteroids, and this handles getting the asteroids. This is the DART spacecraft. The DART mission is just a spacecraft that is going to go and smack an asteroid. It is fantastic to see it in real life. DART will only be changing the period of the orbit of Dimorphos by a tiny amount, and really that's all that's needed in the event that an asteroid is discovered well ahead of time before it might impact Earth. You can't have a mission like DART without finding the asteroids first. That involves searching for near-Earth asteroids, getting them in the catalog, calculating their orbits, tracking them, keeping an eye on them. You know, as a kid, I loved astronomy, I loved Star Trek, and so I became a research astronomer. My first observing run ever was observing the impact of comet Shoemaker-Levy 9 with Jupiter. I never would have known that somehow my career would kind of come full circle to be part of something that affects people's everyday lives. I feel really honored and humbled to be working in the field of planetary defense because it can affect people. It's just really exciting to have that kind of role in an area of science that has such a broader impact, you know, figuratively and literally.